Okay, good morning. I wanted to walk you through a couple of things when it comes to the MSTEP practice, My Access, benchmark assessments. Again, we're looking at a couple of things. We are looking at the skill set that students need in literacy, numeracy, whatever content area, science, math, social studies. But in addition to that, especially for our students, our at-risk students, it's important that they are aware of the computer skills that are needed. So I clicked on the MSTEP just to give you an example, and it gives us these options. What we're going to look at is the sample item sets, okay? And then we're going to look at grade 3. I'm going to select ELA, and here we are. First thing it asks you to do is to plug in the username and password, and it's listed up here. And then you sign in, and then immediately it gives you this information. You just continue, and this is what we want. Okay, you're going to play audio.
If you can hear my voice, select the Sound is Working button.
Okay, sound is working. And then it kind of walks the students through what this means. And this is critical for all students to understand this. So having the teacher walk through this with the students is imperative. Okay, oops, here you go. And these are all various icons that the students need to know, understand, and know how to utilize them. For some of our learners, magnifier is important, some the line guide, I should say, the highlighter. All of these are ways to help make the text a little bit more friendly for our students. Okay, and then it continues, more helpful tips. Okay, they're ready to begin the test. The sample questions, here you go, we're going to begin this test. So it starts off, one thing that, like I said, our students are struggling with is understanding the format of this assessment. You have the directions up here that state that read the passage and then answer the questions. So here's the passage. Well, some of our students are going to just read this. Well, what does it say here? More text below. Again, the academic vocabulary keeps switching from passage to text. Our students need to understand what each of these academic vocabulary words mean. So again, a student could use the trackpad if they are using a particular computer and then just scroll up. Some might have to go here and scroll down. And as you can see, in order for them to actually understand this passage and understand how to respond, they have to go through the entire passage. They have to read the entire passage. And how are they going to know that if they don't have the computer skill and are aware of this? And again, these are nice things to help guide our learners if they wanted to use them. This is the highlighter. I don't know why it's not working. Magnifier.